Hi, today I'm for Galaxy M14 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first let's open the application and drag this up to another one, and by this way we just successfully created a new home screen folder. Also, if you want to add here more applications just in one click, click to this plus icon and select, for example, 3 apps, tap to done. Now we'll just add them successfully. To give the name to the folder or to rename it, just tap on the name and enter the apps, for example. If you wanna rename it by another way, just hold for a while the folder and then click here to this edit icon. So if you wanna just move the folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold the folder and drag it to the left or to the right side of our screen. Just to remove the application from here, we should just hold the app and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this application on the home screen. But if you want to remove it from the home screen and from the home folder, hold it and tap to remove icon. Also, we can create a new folder from this folder. Just select, for example, 2 apps and click create a folder. Now we can see here 2 different folders. Also, we can remove all of the apps with the folder in one click. Just hold the folder and tap to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.